shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. They on that rap to pay the bill shit. And now I'm better shit, not even a little bit.
Alright, what's happening, YouTube world? Sneakerheads out there, everybody that loves sneakers and starting their collections or just want to see sneakers, I guess, reviews. Well, this is one of my big time grails. I cannot believe I have this shoe. I feel like I got a good deal. I don't know, I'll put my purchase here. I bought it from StockX. I don't really let me know if I did got a good deal or not. But yeah, I'm so excited to open this shoe. This is literally the most expensive sneaker that I've gotten. I mean, I did bought the Jordan DMP pack this year, 2017, which was 500, right? But you know, it came with 2 shoes. This one's 1 pair. So yeah, by the title, I'm guessing you already know what it is. See, I bought it from StockX. I'm a little skeptical. This is literally gonna be my first impression, my first thoughts. Just looking at the box, like, I'm not really liking the box at first glance, because look at the tape. It's all like messed up. It's not like nicely put, you know, stick on the box, nicely taped. It's all like so first glance is kind of like, but hopefully, fingers crossed, the shoe, it's legit, it's brand new, it's unworn. You know, hopefully I do get what I paid for, because it was a lot. Okay, I'm already kind of liking this. A little bubble wrapping. I like when they do that. Oof. Okay. Man, this box is so soft. So soft. Okay, here it goes. First impressions. Oh, let me show you if it has it. Let me show you the tag there so you can see. Bought from StockX. I'm gonna take a picture with them and put the whole hashtag and this and that. So you can follow me on Instagram, AldoRicardoSilva. Here goes the shoe. Oof, goodness gracious. Oh my god. Let's see. What's the first thing I do whenever I'm buying a sneaker? Take a sniff. Wow, it looks legit. It's looking legit. I mean, wow, I can't believe I have this shoe, honestly. 9. Oh my god. Let's look at the other pair. Oh, okay, the other pair is the one that has a little authenticity. Another thing that I forgot to say was this is my first 12 in the collection. And man, what a way to start the collection. Look at this. That is sexy, man. This is so dope. You know, I'm really liking StockX. I'm definitely gonna keep buying shoes from there. I was like almost skeptical, but now it's like, man, this is amazing. And it does look unworn. It does look brand new. Let me know what you guys think. You know, let me get you the pair that has a little tag. There it is. StockX. Clean, very clean shoe, man. Let's take a look inside. This is what I'm talking about, man. This is what I'm talking about. Now I can't wait to get the PSNY wheat for the 12. This is just sexy. This is sexy. This is sexy. All right. I don't even know what to say. Like I said, I think I should start looking at my shoes first when I get them, and then make the review, because like it's so hard to make the review, and I'm just so impressed by the shoe. You know what I mean? I'm just keep looking at it. I forget that I'm even making the video and show it to you guys. Damn, man, this is very nice. Love it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if I did get a good price, or you know, did I get played or what? But let me know if you think I really did get a good price. And love the shoe. My first 12, definitely my first OVO. Can't wait to cop the black one too, and the 10, the OVO 10. That's all on my list. I am gonna be copping more shoes from StockX, trying to get good deals. Maybe also from Gold. So if you want to see those reviews, those unboxings, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, if you like the shoe, drop a like. Easy as that. Free. Got him.
They on that rapid pay the bill shit. And now that shit, not even a little bit. Fuck being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. They on that rapid pay the bill shit. And now that shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your worth, nigga. My actions being louder than my words, nigga. I ain't slow, I been still slow down to earth, nigga. Niggas won't do it, we can do it on the turf, nigga. Oh Lord, I'm the rookie.